I'm back. I'm back at a theme park. Which theme park are you asking? I'm at Animal Kingdom. I love this place. Gotta spend some time. I only have one day to myself this week. It's a little cloudy, a little gray, but you know what looks gorgeous any time of the year? Animal Kingdom. I mean, come on, look at that beautiful thing. Ah, the Tree of Life. Looks so much better when it's cloudy. I don't know why. Maybe it makes it pop a little more. So typically when I come here, I go to the left. First place to hit's Pandora. But today, I'm gonna go to the right. So some of the areas that I don't frequent that often. Well, the flame tree's looking pretty quiet so far. Of course, it's also like 11 o'clock, but yeah. But before I go any further, I need a snack. And my favorite place to go for a snacky snack, 8 Spoon Cafe. So I was gonna film myself eating here, but the music in Flame Tree is very loud. So I'm gonna have to figure out something else to do. I don't really know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Okay, well now that that's done, let's talk about what we had. I got the baked mac and cheese with shrimp and sweet spicy chili sauce. I usually get the pulled pork mac and cheese, but this time I got the shrimp instead because it just sounded so good, and it was. It sounds weird, but it was so good. I mean, the shrimp, nice big fat shrimp like you would get in the shrimp and grits at most places. The mac and cheese was thoroughly baked. I mean, there was a nice thick layer of baked cheese on top. And then the sweet chili sauce with the scallions. Never would have thought that would have been a good combination, but it really was. If you're over there by 8 Spoon, make sure you go get one. It's like $6.99. Totally worth every penny. So whenever I come here, I always wind up riding rides. I don't really spend a lot of time with the animals, but I feel like spending the day with the animals. So let's go see some kitties. Alright, here we go. Let's go see the kitties. The Maharaja Jungle Trek is so peaceful and serene. One thing they do right in Animal Kingdom, shade. Ooh, tigers this way. Uh-oh. Where are the kitties? Man. I didn't see any kitties. Where are the cats? I came here for tigers. I'm gonna see tigers.
So there's another one around the corner?
Yeah, if you keep going ahead under the bridge.
Oh.
She's camouflaged behind the, see the bushes that are here? There's a shortest bush of all? Yeah, she's right over there. Just relaxing. Now we are in the aviary portion with some pretty girls.
It is the largest, still about 5 pounds.
Wow.
Oh, some big pigeons. Just love how they're all in here free, just flying around.
We already found that one. I've already found a picture of one. I'm gonna go back.
People are waiting for you.
such a nice walk through all of that nature and seeing all those amazing animals. I love that jungle trek. It's very, very nice. If you get a chance, definitely hit it up. Now, what is all this noise? Ah, looks like we got some howler monkeys causing some problems. Are howler monkeys or the gibbons? I don't know. This guy chilling's all about it. He has got the life. Top perch, nobody bugging him. Nice. Oh, it's these guys. Let's go take a look. So of course, as soon as I get here, they stop. Such is life. Now I would continue on to Africa and go see the rest of the animals there, but I'm on a limited time schedule, so let's go hit Pandora and call it a day. Drink Wall is probably one of my favorite buildings in this entire park, mainly because Joe Rohde mentioned how much he loves it. Very authentic to the style of architecture over there. Every single time you're here, it's like a big party. Everybody's music's loud, everybody's dancing, having a grand time. It's just so alive and hopping here every single time I come. You just can't get enough of it. Walking by, I can smell Tiffin's. And I gotta get back in the Nomad Lounge, man. That place is fantastic. Oh, so chill, right on the water. Good food, better drinks. For example, here's a couple of them here. Gen Tracker? This is the one I've had before. The Annapurna Zing. Oh, yeah. It's very good. And it is a sneaky little drink too. A couple of those and you will definitely feel it. And then here are the plates. They have a couple small plates, but everything here is fantastic. Yeah, I haven't been to Tiffin's yet, but I'm gonna go. Everything I hear about that place is it's amazing, and I've got to do it. So, at some point, it's gonna happen. Yeah, the walkway to Pandora. I've never gotten tired of this. It's so cool. I mean, you literally step out from Earth and onto a completely different planet. Where there's just these giant alien structures of foliage here. Look at this thing. It makes no sense, but it's gorgeous. Kind of reminds me of the worms from Tremors. Especially that part. Kind of his tongue, blah. Oh, and that reveal when you come around the corner, I mean, check this out. Pandora. Let's go check out what's going on inside Wind Traders. This is easily one of the most gorgeous gift shops in all of Animal Kingdom. I mean, look at all the detail and like all the weaving that's been put up here on the ceiling. Oh, look at that. And I love the little Banshee figurines that they have here. They're carved out of wood. So cool. Okay, this hat's pretty sweet. I'll have to keep remembering that for later. I love it. Another cool detail, all these bags here kind of tell the story of this space. These are the bags of the workers that were here that have now left, and they left their bags behind after liberating the planet. This is cool. We got a life-size bust here of Neytiri, Zoe Saldana's character from Avatar.
So here's the thing. He is our best test pilot, but he knows it.
Completely empty belly.
Yes, Pandora, put your hands together for the #1 test pilot of the Pandora Rangers. It's Hot Rod!
Hey, thank you. Okay, silly question, but what are all you people doing out here?
Right now, it looks like they're all staring at you. Some of them are taking pictures. Got some bubbles flying over there. That's pretty cool. Yes, Pandora, I need your help here to verify that Hot Rod can do this in 2 seconds or less. So I need you to grab any devices you might have to keep time, whether they're in your pocket, they're on your wrist. Take them out and put them into timer mode, all right? I'm going to say, on your mark, get set, you all are going to yell out, go! What are you going to yell out? Go! All right, Hot Rod, you ready?
Born ready!
Everybody ready?
Wow.
Everybody ready?
Yeah.
All right, you ready to hit those timers on your mark? Get set. Go! Hit those timers. 2 seconds. Go.
There we go. Off the line at maximum speed. I don't know why I'm so surprised. I mean, after all, if anyone can do this, Hot Rod can. Stop those clocks, everybody.
15 seconds.
21.
Wow.
Wow. A million. Wow. Okay, listen, everybody, I really don't want to get eaten today. So let's try this again. Hey, travelers, what's the time?
Whoa! What's your name, sir? I don't know why I didn't see you back there. You're so much taller than everybody else. Let me turn around and let everybody see you. Everybody, this is Jim! Yeah! Jim is the official timekeeper for the Pandora Rangers, yes. And Jim, I said Hot Rod had to have a time of 2 seconds less to pass. What did you say his time was? He counted 2 seconds. 2 seconds it is. That's the 5 complete. That is golden. Thanks to Jim. Hot Rod has passed.
Yes! I passed. Go Hot Rod. Go Hot Rod. I did it. Break it down, Jim.
Oh, do I go into Satuli for lunch? Oh, all the choices. Oh, actually, it looks like it's too early, so I guess we're waiting. Some of the best smells come out of that restaurant. Oh, God. The wood fire going, and they're getting everything cooking and ready. Oh, okay. I could spend all day in Pandora, but I can't. I got one last place to check out, and then we're done. Oh man, was I supposed to go to this grotto or the Otter Grotto? That made no sense. Oh, I found it. Oh, that's gonna happen. Yay. I got him. Look at him, he's so cute. Love this. I don't care what anybody says, me and Simba are having a great time at Animal Kingdom. And I am proud to have him as a member of our family. Oh, look, he wants to vlog too. You know, originally I didn't even want to be king. I just wanted to have fun, but what you gonna do? Oh, and before we leave, I want to show you this. They are making some great progress on the new tram load and unload zone here at the front. It's gonna be very nice when it's done. Well, that's gonna do it for me and Simba here at the Animal Kingdom. Had a blast. We are back. All parks, all the time. None of that other stuff. But thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. I don't know why y'all are watching and not subscribing. Oh, and don't forget to hit the bell to find out when we do our next one. Until then, don't forget to be a pal. We'll see ya.